L'Oreal China held the Beauty and Health Cloud Summit. At the meeting, L'Oreal North Asia President and CEO of China Mr. Fabris proposed the L'Oreal China Beauty One Health Project Plus IOP Summit, which includes three directions: innovation as the engine to drive transformation, and linkage of all parties to empower the ecosystem and practice corporate social responsibility. El Capital Guangzhou Beauty Limited, an equity firm under LVMH, reduced its holdings of 6,908,314 shares of Ruby, a Chinese eye care company, with a reduction ratio of 1.71926%. After this equity change, El Capital is no longer a shareholder holding more than 5% of Ruby. It is reported that Ruby is the only beauty brand invested by El Capital in China. The global beauty product manufacturer, Intercos, has appointed Colleen Shin as the VP Sales China plus C since April the 25th to further improve the organizational structure of Intercos China. Colleen Shen has extensive experience in China's cosmetics industry, and the sales team she leads will cover China domestic customers, China multinational companies and local customers. Unilever, China's first high-end men's brand EB39, has opened an official flagship store on Wo, China's mainstream e-commerce platform, and launched 8 SKU, with a price range of 308-650 yuan, $46.20 $97.60. The brand is Unilever's first high-end men's skincare brand, which shows the great importance that Unilever China attaches to men's skincare track. Loic Tassel, president of P&G Europe, said at the World Economic Forum that affected by the Chinese epidemic the company is considering regionalizing its supply chain so that more than 90% of the goods sold in Europe can be produced in Europe. P&G's first quarter results showed that its business showed a median single-digit decline in China. La Roche-Posay launched its Blue Ribbon project to care for the skin health of cancer patients, and the Blue Ribbo, Caring for Cancer Patients' Skin Adverse Skin Reaction Health Summit was held on May the 25th BST, 2022 in China, striving to provide patients with practical solutions to skin problems. The official flagship store of Armani Beauty has landed on JD, a mainstream e-commerce platform in China, and launched more than 180 high-end products in 3 categories, including makeup, skincare, and perfume. This is another collaboration between JD and L'Oreal Group following the launch of Lancome, YSL, HR and other beauty brands on the platform. The investment fund Hainan Hexi Private Equity Investment Fund Partnership, Limited Partnership, was jointly established by the global hyaluronic acid giant Bloomage Biotech, with a total fundraising scale of 123.3 million yuan, about $18.31 million, targeting investments in the fields of dermatology and life sciences. This is also the first private equity fund that Bloomage Biotech has participated in since its A-share listing. On May the 27th, Cosmax, the world's largest cosmetics OEM, announced the lifting of the lockdown and the resumption of point-to-point resumption of work in Shanghai, China. Previously, due to the epidemic in Shanghai, Cosmax announced on April the 1st that production and research and development at its Shanghai factory were suspended. The Carlyle Group, an American investment group, announced that it has agreed with Baring Asia, BPEA, as affiliated fund to acquire 100% of the equity of HCP Group, a Chinese cosmetics packaging material manufacturer, for an undisclosed amount. HCP is one of the largest beauty packaging suppliers in the world, working with Estée Lauder, L'Oreal, Shiseido and other famous brands.